Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are good and welcome back to my channel. We are back with another knowledgeable video for you students. Let's start this video.
As a student, you're constantly searching for ways to make your life easier and more productive. That's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool that can help you with just about anything, from your homework to research projects. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. ChatGPT uses natural language processing to understand your questions and provide you with accurate and relevant answers. It can even help you with complex topics that you may not fully understand on your own. But ChatGPT is not just for answering questions. It can also help you brainstorm your ideas and come up with new approaches to problems. This can be incredibly helpful when you're stuck in a project or just need a fresh perspective. Finally, ChatGPT can help you create a study plan that's tailored to your needs. Whether you're struggling with time management or just need help staying on track, ChatGPT can provide you with a personalized plan that will help you achieve your goals. So, if you're a student looking for a way to make your life easier, give it a shot to ChatGPT. It's an incredibly useful and helpful tool that can help you achieve your academic goals and succeed in your studies. Thanks for watching and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting science content.